take the batteries out to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna plug back in the USB cable. It's gonna work. So it's not working with the battery. Yeah, it's not working. So with this light, you can dim it. As you can see, it's very dim. And if you wanted to become bright, you would hold the power button right here all the way, like right down there. I don't know if you can see. And it's gonna brighten it. It's brighter. Oops. It's not working with the USB cable. I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh, and to turn this light off, press on the switch, the off switch, and turns it off.